Hey there, running enthusiasts. Apple Watch and Garmin are top contenders in the world of running watches. Both offer features designed to enhance your training. But with different strengths and weaknesses, choosing between them can be tough. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting, the ideal watch is out there for you. Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison. We'll break down core features, performance, and value. By the end, you'll be equipped to make the best choice for your running journey. Accurate tracking is crucial for runners. Both Apple Watch and Garmin excel in GPS accuracy. This ensures your pace, distance, and route are tracked reliably. Heart rate monitoring is another essential feature. Both brands provide wrist-based heart rate tracking. Garmin offers chest strap compatibility for enhanced accuracy. When it comes to fitness tracking, both watches shine. They monitor steps, calories burned, and sleep patterns. Garmin tends to provide more in-depth metrics for serious athletes. Battery life is a key consideration for runners. Garmin takes the lead in this category. Their watches offer multiple days of battery life, even with GPS activated. Apple Watch, while improving, typically lasts a day or two on a single charge. This is something to consider for long runs or multi-day adventures. In terms of durability, both brands offer robust designs. Garmin watches are often praised for their ruggedness. This makes them suitable for extreme conditions. The Apple Watch boasts a user-friendly interface. It's known for its intuitive touchscreen and customizable watch faces. This makes navigating menus and accessing features a breeze. Garmin watches, while feature-rich, can have a steeper learning curve. Their interfaces prioritize functionality over simplicity. However, once mastered, they offer unparalleled control and data access. The price of performance, value, and affordability. Apple Watch offers a range of models at various price points. The SE and older models provide a more affordable entry point. However, for advanced features, the latest models come at a premium. Garmin watches also vary in price. Their entry-level models are competitively priced with basic features. Their high-end watches, packed with advanced metrics and mapping, come at a higher cost. Finding your perfect running partner. So, which watch reigns supreme for runners? The answer, as with most things, is, it depends. Apple Watch excels in user experience, style, and everyday smartwatch features. It's a great option for casual runners and those invested in the Apple ecosystem. Garmin, with its superior battery life, ruggedness, and advanced metrics, caters to serious athletes and adventurers. It's the choice for those who prioritize performance and data analysis. Ultimately, the best watch for you depends on your individual needs, priorities, and budget. Carefully weigh the pros and cons to make an informed decision. Happy running!